Making peanut butter fudge using just 3 ingredients. Adding 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, heating this up in the microwave for 30-second intervals at 50% power. Once those 2 ingredients are mixed together nicely, then add 2 cups of powdered sugar, only adding about half a cup at a time to make it easier to mix together. Once your ingredients are all mixed together, it's time to add to a tray and line that tray with parchment paper to make it easier to remove later. This will be good for about an 8x8 container of some kind. Going to even this out. And smash it all down with a spoon. And stick this in the fridge for at least 2 hours before trying to enjoy.